Students, so today we are going to start third class term 1 English. So our lesson name is new rule. So before going to the lesson we will see the picture that this is a hungry fox and a small bird called dove. So now we will see the lesson what they have implemented a new rule. So a hungry fox was trotting through the forest when he heard a dove cooing sweetly. Here you can see this is a hungry fox. Trotting means running very slowly with short steps. So the fox was very hungry and with the short steps the fox was running when he heard a dove cooing sweetly. Cooing means singing very sweetly. After that he looked up and saw a big fat dove perched on a tree. Perched means of a bird sitting. So after the dove cooing sweetly, the fox saw the dove. So he looked up and saw that a fat dove perched on a tree, means a fat dove sitting on a tree. The fox's mouth was watered. So after seeing the dove, the fox's mouth was watered. So he is eagerly waiting to eat the dove. What a great lunch the dove will make, he thought. So the fox thought that yes, it is a great lunch if I catch the dove. Sweet dove, he cried, how beautifully you sing. Will you come down so that I can hear you better? So the fox is planning to eat the dove. So he planned and called the doves and said that, oh sweet dove, come down. I want to hear you better. So that if you come, I can hear you better. He planned like that. The dove was very smart. She knew that the fox was wicked. So the dove already know that the fox was planning to eat the dove. So the dove saying that no, she is saying that she also know that the fox was trying to eat. So she said that no, I am comfortable here. I do not wish to come down, but I shall sing louder for you, she said. So the dove is saying that I am comfortable on the tree. I will not come down. I can sing you. I can sing louder for you, saying the dove. The fox tried again. Please do come down. I have a little gift for you. So again fox is planning that I have a little gift for you. Please come down. He is saying. So what he planned that if the dove will come, he can eat the dove as a lunch. But the dove is very smarter than fox. So again the fox is saying that. So the fox said that I have a little gift for you. Please come down. He said to the dove. But what dove replied that I do not want your little gift. If I come down, you might catch me and eat me up. So dove is saying that I don't want your little gifts. I am comfortable here. If I come down, you might catch me and eat me up, said the dove. So I hope you have understood the beginning of the lesson. Next we will continue in the next class. So your homework is you have to write these new words. Thank you.